Hey guys, welcome back to your bass lessons. Today's video, I'll be giving you bass fills, bass passing notes transition exercise that you can use smoothly on progressions. Okay, so if you're interested, you want to be moving smoothly from progression to the next progression, this lesson is just for you. Okay, if you're interested, I recommend you watch the video to the end. I also do private class lessons. If you want to start to learn how to play bass guitar, or you want to continue from where you stop, you see the link in the comment section below. Click on the link to take you direct to my WhatsApp. Okay guys, grab a bass and let's begin with the tutorial. Okay, so I'll try and make this very easy for you. Okay, so we'll be doing this lesson on key A, but please, I want you to focus on what I'm doing and learn and master what I'm doing. Okay, because you can use what I'm to teach you on praise, any type of song. So I'll be giving you two progression. For example, I'll be doing it this way: 1 7 6 5 4 3 2 5, so that it will be easy for you. Okay, I know that there are many songs out there that have a progression from 1 to 7. Okay, so now let me begin with the exercise. I'll start with the bass fills. I'll be showing you what to play on 1 to 7, and also use this as an exercise. Let this build up your fingers so that when you be using this, it'll be easy for you. Okay, from 1 to 7, 1 2 3 go. Okay, so this was a 1 and a 7 chord progression. Okay, so I use the third shape on this. Okay, so 1. Okay, so these are my finger position to this note. That is 1 2 3 5 6 1 7 do re mi so la do ti. I am now on my 7 progression. You understand? Okay, after this I'll show you the passing notes you can apply with these bass fills to make you sound more spicier. So now we'll be going to the 6 and 5. So when you've done playing the 1 and 7, then you go to the 6. So where can I locate my 6? So I have a 6 here on the 9th fret, 3rd string. Okay, so you can play your 6 there. So now we'll be doing this progression on 6 to 5. Okay, so okay, you understand? So you have your 6 7 1 2 3, then you have your 6 again, your octave 6, then your 5. You understand? Okay, 6 la ti do re mi la so. You understand? So now let me play both of them together. You see? So now to my 4 and 3. So I have my 4 taking me to the 3 progression. Okay, so 4 5 6 1 2, then 4 3. The 1 progression to the 7 progression, the shape is just the same like the 4 to the 3. You just look at it, the pattern are just the same. The way you be playing them, the finger position to everything. Okay, so you have your fa, so la, do re, then you have fa mi. You understand? Then to my 2 and 5, 2 and 5, then we are ending. Okay, then you come to your 2 here, 2 3 4 5 6, 2 3 4 5 6, then 2 5. That is your re mi fa so la, then you have your re so. You understand? So if I play it fully, 1 2 3 go. You understand? Okay, before I share with you the passing note to add to this exercise, let me show you how to also make this sound better. How I'm gonna play. Okay, so you see, so I pluck on 1, pluck on 2, hammer on 3, pluck on 5, hammer on 6, pluck on 1, pull up back to my 7. So whole note if you want to, but I say it depends on the kind of song. Okay, or see the two difference. Okay, so the 6, so I pluck on 6, pluck on 7, hammer on 1, pluck on 2, hammer on 3, pluck on 6, pull up back to my 5. Then to my 4, what I did on the 1, I'll be doing same to the 4. Then to my 2, so 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 5. You understand? Okay, so note you can do this to all the keys from G. You can do this on key C too. Okay, you can start from here. So then to your 4. So you just like you be going up instead of you going down. You understand? Okay, now let me give you the passing notes to attach to this and work on this and try to use them. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, go. So you heard me bring in another cool line. So the same note. So now to your 6, then you play. Okay, so that is from 7 to 6. So now you are doing a very nice transition from your 7 to 6. Then you continue with the bass fills on the 6. So that is 6, 7, 6, 5, 6. Then you continue. But let me show you the finger position to that. So 6, 7, 6, 5. Then slide to your 6 so that you can have more space to play it over here. Okay, so when you're done playing, okay, so there's another passing to your 5, 4. So it goes like this: 7, 1, 7, 5, 4. You pluck on 7, hammer on 1, pull out your 7, then 5, 4. So then 5, then 4, then you continue. You understand? Then to your 2, just simple passing note to that: 5, 6, 2. Okay, so if I'm to play it fully, okay, so you can use this on the simple Ghanaian song Makume da 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 da. I don't know the lyrics, but I know you know the song. It's All Stars. Okay, da 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 da. Okay, and for the English song, you can use this on You Do Not Lie, You Do Not Da 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 da. Okay, so as I said, it will depends on the kind of rhythm. So you do not lie down. For this lesson, try and pick 1 or 2 things. You understand? I don't see it compulsory for you to be playing everything on the song. pick. If it's for me, I love using this. I learned this from a song, not a gospel song. That is that is from my 7 to 6. Okay. Okay. You understand? And those smooth worship songs you can be using from your 5 to your 4. Go. Just the way you just sit down and try to create something from what I've just taught you. Okay, so I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye for now.